Don't do this at home, boys and girls. This is not safe. No riders allowed.
Stuart.
Yes, dear.
What are we doing today?
Cutting down trees for the trail back to where the sawmill is gonna go. So hopefully we can get enough trees down to where we can at least see a partial road.
And bucking up wood for firewood.
I know that goodness.
Come on. Oh, look at that sprout. What's that?
Once they figure out what it is, and they decide to run.
Yep.
Look at that, guys.
They'll have that demolished in just a couple hours. So the babies are getting big. It's amazing how fast they grow. Boy, it should be nice.
Good stuff. What is cracking, people? How are you? I just got home from work. We are going to go down to the bottom where the new sawmill is going to go. I'll show you what I got accomplished the other day. And we will see if I can get anything accomplished today. So let me get the tractor fired up and we'll be on our way. You guys coming? How about you guys? You guys coming? The goats already know we're going on an adventure. So this is what I got done the other day, probably about 40 or 50 feet back into the forest. I'm pulling fill from a couple places along the side of the road. I didn't bring a chainsaw or anything. Didn't really feel like it, so I'm gonna see if I can just topple some trees with the tractor. We'll see what happens.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the vines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, looking at me. Take me back, all the way back to the day. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. one big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kitten and me. Take me back, all the way back to them days. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
Stuart's gonna save me.
Hold on.
You don't want to take the tractor up?
Hold your horses.
Oh.
So Tony's having issues. We got to stop at the road. She has a mouse problem in the barn, and she's chicken.
I'm not
So
chicken.
we're gonna go help her with the mouse problem in the barn. But before we do that, let's see where we ended up.
Hold on a minute.
No, you're chicken.
No, I'm defending myself, and I have that right. It's my First Amendment.
Oh, for Pete's sakes. You have no First Amendment with me.
I'm not chicken.
Then why are you down here asking for help?
It ooked me out.
Ah, so it still means chicken. She's chicken.
Not chicken.
Then why are you down here?
Because I want your help. Because I'm chicken.
All right. Anyway, so let's take a quick walk. We started about right here, and we went up here. And Goose came down to play. What's up, Goose? My mind has been made up as to where the sawmill is going to go. The first location that we all decided on last year. This area is flatter. It's going to be a lot better. Less to work. Less gargantuan trees to take out. So anyhow, that is it. Wave hi to Tony. Everybody wave hi to Tony. Say hi, Tony. How are you? Okay, great.
Love you all.
We're going to end up taking this group of trees down and this group of...
He just jumped over that.
Good boy. And this group of vine maples out. And I'm going to try and leave that Douglas fir there. And I'll just cut into the hill a little bit more. And then those birch are going to have to come down. And then all that stuff back up there. So anyhow, we're going to go help Tony with her mouse problem. She wants me to be ooked out instead.
No, I don't.
So that is what we have. Hold on, let me get up here and you can jump on. Hey, we got a hitchhiker over there.